There you go. It's a beautiful thing to have you here. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to always get an update whenever we drop a new video. As you all know, we are always here to take you through step by step on technology, AI tools, apps, and many more. Like, we put you through step by step on how to navigate through this online space. AI is the main deal now, and it is what is paying many people this bill. And I wouldn't like you guys to be left out. I am here to put you through on all the step by step you need on different apps just to navigate and be as smart as others. Guys, I don't want you guys to be left out. The reason I'm bringing this aspect of our training here, normally it is usually free, but because you guys have been here with me on this journey, I have decided to stop gatekeeping and talking up to you guys on how to navigate this system and use them to make money. I mean real money. So stay with me on this, share this video, share this channel. Do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you for stopping by. So on today's video, I'll be putting you through how to navigate through InShot. As an editor or someone into content creation, one of the things or one of the apps you need mostly is InShot. And in this video, I'll be breaking down how to use InShot step by step, all the features of InShot, what they meant and what you can use them to achieve in your video. So how will you have this video? Watch to the end, like this video, share this video. Whatever question you have, just drop it in the comment section and I'll be right there to attend to you. Thank you. Now let's go into the video. Go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store and download InShot, just in case you do not have it in your phone. I already have mine, so I just want to show you. As a beginner, this is very important. So this is InShot. If you do not have it, you just need to do what? Come here and download it. This is the logo. Can you see it? This particular one that is showing pink, that is the one that is called InShot. Now, because I already have it, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. On the video part, it says allow. You need to turn it on so that they can be able to access your phone. Click on allow. Now, that is when you want to work on a video. If you want to work on a video, that is the part you're going to select. You're going to select the video part. So let's say you want to work on this particular video. This video. Let's use this as an example. Select on it. Click on next. As a new person, all these thumbs up are going to come up. They're just trying to show you how to navigate through the app, how to zoom and all of that. Click on OK. Now, this is the video we selected. Under you're going to see canvas. The first one you're seeing here is canvas. Can you see? I touched it and it highlighted. This is canvas. Now, this canvas now is when you want to change the shape of this. First of all, the shape of this video we have here is already YouTube shape, which is 16:9. So if you want to change the shape, you just click on this. And then you see different shape. You see 1:1, which is for Instagram, 4:5, which is also for Instagram, and you can use it for Facebook too. You see 9:16. You can use it for both YouTube and Facebook. But the major size for YouTube is 16:9, which is what I'm using now, which is this particular one here that I just highlighted, this one. You see TikTok, you see other sizes. So if there's any other size you're looking at that you want to, this is where you're going to achieve it. And with this arrow here, with this side here that I'm moving up, you can use it to either reduce it or increase it. Can you see? You can use it to reduce or increase. But this is the size we want. We want it to be at 0. That is the perfect size. So yeah, whatever thing you want to do, the moment you're done, click on this good here. So now the next icon you have here is audio. This one that I just highlighted, audio. This is when you want to add a sound to your video. You click on this audio. You will see music. You either add a music and you collect it from your library, your own phone, or you want to select from their own music. When you click on this music now, it will bring out all this part for you. So they have some music here. You can see dynamic, you can see chill, you can see dreamy, you can see a lot of time. When you click on them, they will open more for you to select from there. Do you understand? But I don't need any of their music. So you can leave that, and maybe you have a music you want to use in your phone, or you have a music that is in video form. That maybe you have a video that has a sound that you want to use. You can click on this extracted. See, extract audio from video. You click on it and it will just open. You go and get the sound. Or maybe you want to collect your own music. That's when you use this other one that says my music. You have to allow it so that they can access your music. So if there's a sound you want to select, you go ahead and select it. And the moment you select it, it will show in your video. There's also effect. This is where you get some sound like bell sound. Let's check bell. Can you see? Can you see? We are not taking any other. If you want transition, there is still sound for transition. You download and check the one you want. You understand? Now, if you don't want to use any of this, you leave this part. Anyone that you use that you like, you can favorite it. Let's say game. Game over. It's game. You see, game over. You heard that? If you want to use this often and on, and you like this, you can just favorite it by clicking on that love. It will just go to your favorite. You see favorite here? You can see that game over too. You can see that it's here already, right? So that is that. Now, if you want imported, you can just click on import and then The moment you click on that imported, you're going to import it. You're going to get it and import it. It will now be there. Anytime you want to use it, to be there. But we don't want to do any of that now. I'm just trying to show you around. Like we all know, this tutorial is how to navigate through InShot. I mean everything from A to Z, like a beginner. Because many people don't know these icons. Now, if you want to record this, unless I want to record, you are going to turn this on. Say, why using the app? Just allow. So, okay. Now, if you want to record, you click on this red and record. Let's try it. Let's say, okay. Let's count down. 1. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Pam, 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 pam. It's good to have you here, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell. End it. The moment you are done, if you like it, you click on good and it will save. If you don't like it, you can use this other arrow, this one, to go back. Can you see? You can use it to go back. So let's go back. We are done with this audio part. Now the next one is the sticker. This is where you can get all kinds of sticker. You have text, you have caption, you have AI speech, you have detail, you have doodle. All these things are icons. Do you understand? You can open it, get sticker. If you want to get share or subscription button, like, you can be able to download more. If you click on download, more will download. Do you understand? So maybe I want to add this share now. I can just click on share and I'll add it somewhere here. Do you understand? Just find a way and add it. Do you understand? Then if you have an image that is in your phone that you want to bring in as a sticker, this is where you're going to click on it and then you're going to import. It will take you to your image you import, but I don't have anything I want to import. Unless I want to do this, I can't bring. Now I brought it here. See? I can use it as a sticker here. Do you understand? But we don't need any of that. But then you can still do cutout. Let's do cutout so that it will remove the background of this. You can use cutout. If you do cutout, it's just remove the background originally. It's loading. Can you see it has cut it out and remove the background originally? Now let's use this one because that is one that is much more preferable. Can you see? Oh, this is so beautiful. Guys, can't you see? This is amazing, right? So that's that. And then, as you can see now, anytime you want to always use this, once you come here, the previous one that you have imported will still be there in case you want to. So after adding it, you can just click on this good and it's good to go. Meanwhile, the other one that we added is still there. We need to delete it because that one has a background. So let's just delete it by using this delete button, okay? Remember, we added share. We can still delete that share if we don't like it. So that is that. For this doodle, that is if you want to. Doodle is if you want to draw something. You see, for maybe there's something you want to draw. That's when you talk about doodle, but we don't need any of this. You hardly use this particular thing whenever you are editing. So this doodle now is off. Let's go back. So if you want to extend this picture, maybe you want to extend it, all you need to do is just to click on that sticker again, click here, then use this to draw it, let it extend. You can even just click on it and then select video end or clip end. This is a video. If you're only going to click on clip end if you added different videos. Do you understand? If you added different videos, that's when you're going to click on the clip end. Maybe it's going to end in the first video shot that you. But if it's video end, maybe you want it to the end of your video, you use the video end. So let's just do video end because this is not a short clip. It's just one video. So that's that. Now we have the text. You can use this text option, or you can still use it when that sticker comes out. So let's say you want to write something. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hello, welcome to my channel. You see that? Now you can edit this. You can edit this text. When you want to edit it, just come here and click on this pen here. Once you click on that pen, you see editing. You see color. I want to change it to red. I want to work on the. You see the things I'm clicking that is highlighting. I want to change the text look. You see, these are all the things you can use to edit your text. Okay, you can still add background. There is border. Talk about adding border. There is shadow. If you want to add shadow, you go ahead. There are colors you can use for your shadow. There is glow. There is label. Label is to add a background to it. Can you see? If you want, you can just add a background that is open. You can add color. You can add. Let's add a background that is okay, very poppy. If you want opacity to reduce the color, you can use the opacity to reduce the color of this background so that it won't be that bold. See, it's reducing it. At a point, it will get to the point whereby it's even faded entirely. So, but this is okay. Then click on good. The moment you're done with it, so let's say, welcome to my channel. You just put it below here. Can you see? Then you can still use this pen again to give it a motion by selecting at this last one that is moving up and down. You see, it's going to, you can select the motion you want to give it. Then you see, these are the motions you can put. Any one you choose. Which one do you like? Let's use this one. So we are on effect. This is effect. As you can see, we click on the effect. We click on the first one. This one, you can see slow zoom, jump zoom, zoom out. Let me be showing you. So what is happening? Can you see what's going on? Can you see? Jump zoom, zoom out. Can you see what trio is doing? Can you see row? Okay. So these are things you can use to make your video enticing and very nice. Now this is in the basics. In the glitch, if you want to make, just to make sure that you not use any of them, click on the original here. Can you see this original? Make sure that you're pointing at that original so that to be the way it is. If you want, you can go ahead and use the glitch. If you want, you can go for fade. You can go for blur. See blur. Can you see what blur is doing? Can you see? Mosaic. Can you see mosaic? Can you see? Can you see B&W? Can you see? This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. There are a lot of features here. And as you're scrolling, it will just be going to the next one. Beat, film, shake, analog, split, just like that. You'll be able to use it to create different effects in your videos. At the end of the day, we're not using anyone on this video, so we're going to go back to original, okay? Now, the second one, talk about AI effect. When you click on this AI effect, say shoot video or photo with people for better results. Click on OK. Now, we already have a video here, so forget the grammar. You see line, you see clone, blink, glow, flare, dizzy. You see? Let's just select this one and see what happens here. Can you see? Can you see what's going on here? Can you see? Double. Illusion. Can you see? Dazzle. Like that. Go back to original. If you want clone, let's see what clone is doing. Can you see clone? Oh, these things are beautiful. Can you see? Motion. Can you see? Color. Can you see? Now, go back to original. The other one, blink. Can you see? We have a lot of features here that can make your video very attractive and very nice and interesting to watch. Do you see? So that way you can also explore your glow, your flare, your dizzy, and all of that. And when you're done implementing the features that you want to use here, make sure you click this good, okay? Now the next one is filter. For this filter, it is going to change the color of this particular video that we added here. Do you understand? Let's see something here. You see, you have feature. Under feature, you have this one that have bright pink. Can you see? It just change it to any color. You'll be observing it to know the one that you want. The moment the one that you want comes out, you would stop and make sure you save it using this icon here, this good here, okay? Can you see? So we'll go back to original because you don't want to use any of them here. Now you can use adjust, so whereby you do the adjustments yourself. This one now, they're not the one that is going to do it for you. You want to do it yourself. So in this adjusts, we have lightness, we have contrast, we have warmth, we have tint, we have many icons here that you can explore. Let's see what warmth will do for us. Anyone you click on, you're going to use this icon to adjust them, okay? Adjust it anyhow you want it. So let's say this is okay. Let's go to tint. Can you see? Oh, this is amazing. Tint is going to give it a very warm and nice color. Saturation. Can you see? Can you see? You have to be very wise when you are doing your editing. You have to be wise and observant. Okay? Let's go to sharpen. There is shadow, there's a lot. But when you are done, make sure you sharpen it so that your image will be very, very sharp and not blurry. Okay? So that is that. If you are done test running all these icons here, because it's a lot, you are done test running, make sure you click on good. Okay? Now let's check something. Can you see? Use this icon here. You can use it to check your work and the previous. Can you see? Okay. If you click on it, to show you your previous work, then you leave it, you see what you did. The difference is not clear. It's clear. If you want, you can use this particular icon here to remove everything that you have done so that it will just be the way your video is. But let's leave this. I actually love this. So let's click on good. Now the next one is what? Edit. The next icon, we are done with this. So just click on good to save it. So the next icon is, we have filter. But we've already gone through filter because it's included in that effect. So we don't need it anymore. The other one is PIP. PIP is when you want to add a video or an image on top of that video. Just like we added that picture there. You can use PIP to add the same picture there, or you can use that sticker that we used to add it. You know, that one came in as a sticker now. But as a PIP, you can still add that image or do something else. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's add this InShot picture. But if I want to add it, we need to remove the background so that it will be very sweet. Let's do cutout. Remember, with cutout, you can be able to remove the background. Let's see. Let's go back. There's an error somewhere. I'm trying to remove the background. Let's try cutout again. Let's use Chrome and see. You can use chroma key and do it this way and to just remove it. Can you see? it has removed it. So here we use Chrome. This chroma here, okay, this chroma is what we use. Sometimes when you use cut out, if you see that it remove the things you don't want it to remove, you just go ahead and use chroma. Okay, so we are good with this. Just add it somewhere here. So let's add it here. Okay, you can use this to extend it, or just click on it and add what you want to add. Is it clip end or video end, anyone you want. So that's that. We are done with this. So the next one is pre-cut. For this place, you can use it to trim. Let's say you want to trim the video and make it very short, or there's a part you want to remove, you can use this pre-cut to do that. You see cut, if you cut, you see the part that you can just remove any part. Maybe you don't like this part, or maybe you want to extend this part, and this is what it does for you. You can use it to cut out any part. You see split too, you can use it to split. Maybe you don't like this part, just click out the part you don't want and split. It will just do the work for you. But we're not using any of that here. We're not doing any of that in this video. Everything is okay the way we want it. So if you are done, make sure to always use this icon here, showing here, to always save it. Okay, so but we didn't cut anything. Now the next one is split. So instead of using this pre-cut, you can still use this split that is directly here to cut out what you want to cut. Let's say there is a part you want to cut in this video. I want to cut, let's say I don't like this part and I want to cut it. I'll just click on split and it will just split it, and I will delete. Click on delete to delete. But I don't want that, so I will need to use this arrow here to go back. I don't want to delete and I don't want to split. So it has undone what I did now. Now this is delete, which is used for deleting. As you saw the way I deleted it. This is volume. You can use this volume to increase our volume. I muted our video before when I recorded that time. You can use this to increase the volume to the highest, which is 200. Then this icon here, which is the noise, you use it to do what? Remove the noise from your video. You just click on the noise. If there is an audio in this video, you want to, in this particular item now, like this thing I'm saying now, I'm saying welcome back to our channel. If I want to extract it, I can just click on this extract audio and it will remove that. It will just extract it and it will still be in the video. But the video will now be silenced while the audio will be playing on its own. Let's say I click on extract audio. You wait for it to load. It has extracted it. The moment it extracts it, your video will be silenced. This particular video, there will not be sound anymore, but the sound that you extracted, which is what I was saying, is going to be in that same place. So maybe if you want to do any editing on it now, you can now do any editing on it. Do you see it? Let's see.
On today's video, I'll be showing you.
So, but there is no need for me to do this. In some cases, there are places you may need to do it, but in this video, there is no need for me to do this kind of things. So I will have to go back and undo extracting of audio. Okay, so that is that for that. Let's click on good and continue what we are doing. So the next one is background. If you want to add a background to this video, okay, once you click on that background, it's going to bring out either you use it, bring out a place that you can use the background of this your video here. That is, can you see? You can use it as a background this way, or you can add an image, which is the one that is showing you here. So I don't want to use this particular image of my video for it. I just click on this icon here to remove the one I've done already. Okay, it's already. I want to use an image. I have an image I want to use, so I have to just click on image. Let me go and import the image. This is the image I want to use. Can you see? I've added my image in the background. Okay, now my video is showing. Can you see? The moment you add background, you can now be able to move your video. So at this point, you can decide to click on good to save if you are good with this, and then use your hand to adjust your video. Let's see. Can you see? You can adjust it or you can reduce it. Do you get? You can decide to reduce it and bring it this way. Okay? Or you can decide to do what? Allow it to be full this way. So anyone you want to do, you can do it here. So this video now.
On today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to open a standard.
How do you see it? That's how do you see it? So that is that. Now remember that we start at background. The next one is speed. So if you want to increase the speed of my speech, this is where to do it. So I can increase it to 1.2. Anyhow you want to. Let's say 1.2.
So that whenever we drop any video, you'll be among the first to get
Can you see?
Guys,
let's do 7.5 now. You see? Can you see? So let's do 1.2 is always okay. As long as you're talking and you want people to hear, 1.2 is always okay. Okay, that's good. Now that is for speed. There is animation. Animation, use it to bring in some kind of movement into your video, maybe where your video wants to come in. So let's say your video here, you want it to come in. There is fade in, there is zoom in, there is zoom out. There's a lot. You have the one for in, you have the one for out. Out is when you want the ending of your video. That's when you talk about out. Okay, or the ending of your clip. We have combo, whereby they combine both of them, both this in and out. There's where they do the combination. It will have making similar moves. You have loop too. Loop is your video will be constantly making movement. Look at let's look at.
Can you see? I'll be showing you step by step.
Can you see?
On today's video, I'll be
Can you see?
On today's video,
And
I'll
this
be
way,
showing
this
you
look
step
like
by
will
step
continue
on
to the
how
end
to
of the
open a
video.
standard.
But
On today's video,
animation will
I'll be
just
showing
bring
you
in
step by step
or
on how
goes
to
out
open a
and
standard
ends
YouTube channel.
immediately. It
You
doesn't
might think you
continue.
already have the
Do you
knowledge, but
understand?
on today's
And
video,
remember
I'll
that
be
you
showing
can be able to
on
use
today's video.
this particular volume sign here to reduce, to increase the speed of the action or to reduce it. So let's see.
On today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to. On today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on.
Okay.
On today's video,
Now this one now is to show how long I want it to stay.
on today's video, on today's
You
video,
see,
I'll be showing
very
you
small. You
step by
might even
step.
notice it. So
On
that's
today's
that.
video,
Meanwhile, if
I'll
I
be
don't
showing
want
you
that, I'll
step
just
by
click on
step
this
on
particular
how to
icon
open
here
a standard
to
YouTube
remove
channel.
it, and I'm removing it because I don't need it. So let's go to the in again, and let's bring in our video. Let's just use any of the in.
On today's video,
Can you see? This one is fade
on
in.
today's video,
Okay. Can you see? Let's try out. You see the way it's going to go out. Let's select anyone for out. Do you see it? These are things that make your videos very interesting. Okay. So you can be able to play around here and choose and try different ones for combo. This is combo. Let's try combo here.
on today's video,
Did you
I'll be
see it?
showing you step by step on.
Anyone you
On
use.
today's video, I'll be showing you
Very
step by
nice. Can
step
you
on
see?
how to. On today's video, I'll be showing
So
you
when you are
step
done,
by
click
step
on
on
good.
how to open.
If you don't want to use any of them, remember to always click on this sign here, this none. Okay, it shows none. You don't want to use any of them. So now that is it. For the next one, you have AI cuts. This one now is the AI that will do the work for you. Any place I post, any place I didn't, my word, maybe I'm trying to say something and I'm doing it will remove all those parts. So that is what this AI cut does for you. So you can click on start and it will do the work for you. This is it. You click on start, it will do the work for you. So let's click on it. See, after the AI cut, which I already told you that you use it to cut out where there is any place you get space, you are not talking and the video was recorded, they'll just detect it and cut it out themselves. That is AI work, and that is mostly on Pro. So if you don't have a Pro, you may not be able to use it. And this is the crop. If you want to crop this video, maybe I want to crop it down. Maybe this particular wall of mine, I don't like the way it's showing. I can just bring it down here. Do you understand? You can crop anyhow you want to crop. This is for crop. And in this crop too, you can use it to adjust the size to any size, both TikTok size, portraits, YouTube. This one is saying original. Do you understand? So I don't want to do anything here. This is just to show you how to you can be able to crop or what the icon is used for. Now click on good. The next one is switch. So if just when you have an item or when you have a video that you added through PIP and you want to interchange them, that's when you use this icon. So most times you don't use it in editing except where needed. Now this HD is talking about enhancing. That is when you want to enhance your quality to HD. That's when you use it. We don't need it here. Remember this cutout, we use it to remove the background. So if I click on this cutout now, let's say I want to remove the background of where I am. If you click on cutout, it's going to remove it and add me in this background of mine that I have added before. Let's see, it's still doing cutout. It's not done, it's loading. So let's see what the outcome is going to look like when it is done with the cutout. There's also mask. Can you see mask? Mask is still something like that, about that of that cutout. Under that mask, it's going to remove some background and leave some. Probably this particular, only my head will be showing, not that kind of thing, while the other part will be showing. So you only use mask where necessary. Opacity is if you want to make it to become very clear or very blur. Maybe you added something, you want it to be faded. You don't want it to be very obvious. You want it to be in a faded form. That's when you use this one, opacity. Okay, if you add something and you want it to be faded, you don't want it to be very bold. We use that opacity when we are doing this our write-up. We used it after the write-up when we added the background. Remember, we used it to reduce the background color so it should not be that very red. We used it. So you can also use it in your video. If you don't want the video you're making or something that you added to be too bold, you use that opposite to reduce it. Now replace is when I want to replace. If I want to replace this video, that's when I can use this replacement, but I'm not doing that. Now on to the next one, which is voice effects. When you click on this voice effect, you can use it to change the voices into different sounds. A man voice, a baby voice, parrot, any kind of sound you want. As long as it's here, you can use it, okay? All these things are all voiceovers. They're all voice sound changes that you can make. Even these ones, all of them are all voices. So you can use any of them here. Let's see this one. Can you hear it? See this one. See this one. So there's a lot of them here. Now let's go down to the other one.
On today's video, I'll be showing you step by
This
step
one now
on how to open
is a kind of a microphone to increase it. So I like this one, I will leave it. But you have other ones too. You have this one.
On today's video, I'll be showing
This one now is also giving it a microphone kind of sound, but then you can see that it has echo. So I don't want anything that has echo. So this one is okay for me. Then if you don't want to use it, you can just do what? Click on this one and remove it and use a normal voice. So that is that. So I want this one, I'll put it. And remember that when you're done, click on good. Okay, so after this one, talk about duplicating. Duplicating is when you want to double this thing. I want to make this thing into 2. That is when you duplicate. Okay, this is our video. We want to make it into two. Probably you have a voiceover that you added, or a music that you added, or something that you are saying that is longer than the length of this, because the length of this your video now is here. See the length of the video here, 1 minute for 3 seconds. So maybe you added something, a voiceover that is more than 1 minute for 3 seconds, and you want to extend the video so that the voiceover will finish playing. All you need to just duplicate. So let's duplicate. You see, if you duplicate, it will now multiply in total. Will now be a video that is 1 minute for 3 seconds is now 3 minutes. Here, 26 seconds. So we are going to do what? Go back because I don't want it. Okay. So that is that. Now another thing we need to do is talking about the rotating. This one, rotating. If you want to rotate, you can rotate in different forms. Can you see? But I don't want to rotate. You can flip it. It will change. Can you see? As you are flipping it, it's changing sides. But I don't need it flipped. This is the original one, and I'm good with it. Click on good. Freeze is when you don't want any movement from this video. But I don't want to freeze it. Sometimes when you freeze it, if you remove the freeze, it will make the video not to be moving concurrently with your mouth again. So please, this particular one, you only use it when you have need for it. Reverse is when I want to make this video, the ending to be the beginning. Let's try it. Reverse. It's reversing, and I don't want it. I will cancel it. So if you reverse it, the ending will become the beginning. So please, that is what this reverse does for you. And this is ease. You only use it when you need it. Let's see what ease can do for us. Ease only available between 2 keyframes. So if you don't have 2 keyframes, you cannot use ease. So that is that for InShot. Guys, please, if you have any question, I'm in the comment section to attend to you. Please help me to share this video, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always stopping by. If you want to export this video, which is the last thing that you need to do, this is export. When you want to export it, this is the right resolution that is already here. 1080p, frame rate is 30 fps. If you want to increase it, you can. But when you increase it, the MB is going to increase. This is the MB size here, 182.6 MB. So if I should increase it now to 2000 and something, 2K or 4K, it is going to increase the MB to 314. If I increase it to 4K, it will increase it to 677. That is a lot of space and a lot of data. But it's going to increase the quality of your video. Meanwhile, I don't want to export this video yet because I need to work on this video. So that is that for it. Thank you for watching.